on my tippies. Dough, say ain't Gabbana, that's on my titties. How me bet.
Good morning. It is 10:20 in the morning and I am on my way to get a booty shot. I'm finally done. Y'all, that needle was worse than an epidural. No, I'm just playing. But it was long. Now, when did McDonald's Happy Meal fries become this small? Because when we were younger, they were not like this. Anywho, my son needed a coat, so y'all know my favorite store. We are going to check Gabe's first. What happened there? They don't say. And it was crazy. Oh, they got Carter's in the mall.
Hey, Mommy.
Thank you. You got socks. Ooh. Look at this mouth. Hi guys, say cheese. Popcorn. This coat was in Gabriel Brothers for way cheaper than this. Just FYI. So don't be sleeping on Gabe's, y'all. Hi, big boy. Somebody mad we leaving the mall. What? Oh, God. Okay, so we're in the office waiting on the doctor. We just got our ultrasound. And she's so adorable, y'all. I started tearing up in the chair. Okay, I should have been recording, but so my son is with his dad after the doctor's appointment. He wanted to go with his dad. So I am gonna take me a day to just debrief. So I'm at Applebee's. Been wanting some quesadillas so bad, y'all. Some quesadillas so bad. And yeah, camera with me, my tablet. So we're gonna do some work while we go in here. All right, people going in here, so let's hurry up and get in here. Alright, y'all. Well, that Applebee's trip, mommy trip alone, was short-lived. My son ended up calling me crying. I am on my way to get him now. Watch he be asleep by the time I get there. So I just got here, y'all, and no, he not asleep, but he's okay. He's okay. It's like I have a partner joining me on this solo mommy trip. It isn't so solo anymore. Say hi, guys. Eat it. With the lemon. Hey, good afternoon. It is Friday. We got a breast cancer walk tomorrow in honor of my cousin. She was like a lovely soul. Rest in peace, beautiful. Today, we need to get ready because we're meeting at 9:30 and y'all know how I am. I'm never on time. So we're never on time. Let's do it. Oh, best believe I take my breaks. Okay, I take my breaks. Something we take for granted before we have kids is eating alone. At the dollar store today, isn't it just the cutest? Like, it's so cute. Isn't it cute? See? Show him your horse. Giddy up. And yes, I already put detergent in there first before y'all try to come for me. I just already edited the video. So I'm not about to do it again. Look who's trying to use the potty. You got potty? Alright, y'all, my stomach is tightening up. So before I clean this toilet, I need to sit down. Anytime I do too much, my girl be like, ma, sit down. She starts to tighten up. I am 32 weeks in like 2 days. So yeah, what if this is the video where like my water broke? So we are coming from this place called Broken Eggs. It's in Canton. It was not good to me. I don't recommend it. It's 2:55 p.m. and I am tired. Okay, y'all, so just to update, after we left that Broken Eggs restaurant, my son had to go to sleep. He needed a nap. But now we are at Golden Corral and it's 7:21, so this is our dinner, and then it's time to put him to bed. You being a big